All right, YouTube, I'm hungry. It's snack time. And I want to make a snack I actually like to eat. I eat this a lot, all right? And
Delicious.
what is this? Some bread, some oil, and some vinegar, a little bit of spice, all right? And those are all our ingredients. So first, we're going to get our olive oil. All right, here we go. A little olive oil. You put it right there. Get some cast iron, all right? Put it in there. You want about a ½ inch deep, all right? Get in there. Let that warm up, all right? While that's warming up, oh my God, guys, would you check that out? I know the white balance is off, but check that out. It'll focus. There you go. This here, McCormick's Italian seasoning, all right? A lot of times I'll take some basil, I'll chop it up myself, maybe some oregano. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sprinkle across the top. Look at that. Look how wonderful. And guys, you're going to smell it. As that oil gets hot, all right, we're going to start to cook the bread. We're not even cooking it. We're just toasting it. Guys, all I got is a tray full of bread. Just a tray full of bread. All right? Oh, pow. This ain't got to be hard. We're in the backyard. This ain't got to be fancy. All right? See that? Just make it so that it touches. All right? This is going to go quick. Guys, this is going to go so quick and so clean for it. All right? I didn't even put the drip tray back there, son. I don't need it. All right? That's how awesome this is going to be. So what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to toast one side. All right? As that side toasts, I'm going to stir that in a little bit. All right? That stuff is going to be liquid gold. You know, I'm going to put a little bit more in there. Who doesn't like olive oil? I think this is healthy too. Jessica, is this healthy? All right, guys. I'm pretty sure that someone's going to say the bread's not healthy. Well, to me, this is pretty healthy compared to what I normally eat, right? So I'm just going to turn it. We're going to turn it a few times back here, guys. We ain't no rush. We're just letting that bread toast. We're not looking to have it like a grilled cheese sandwich toast. But what we don't want to do is leave it on one side for too long. All my burners are on super low. It ain't going to toast real fast, no how. We're just giving it some time, all right? You can kind of feel it, but let it brown up just a little bit. You'll see it happen. Maybe that one I already turned. I did, because I could feel it. See that? Just feel them. This is your food. You can put your fingers on it, all right? We're going to turn it again. Let me group them up. Someone somewhere with a griddle says, maybe you should have grouped it up. Well, you do you. Check this out. Parmesan cheese. Why? Because this is good, all right? And it's great value. That means I got this thing at Walmart, and it was cheap, and I like cheap. Over there we go. All my seasoning, look what happened. I don't know if you can see that seasoning down there, but it dropped to the bottom, right? That's how you know this oil is starting to get hot. The seasoning drops to the bottom. That's fine. And just remember, my burners are on low, and I might have said this. My burners are on low, but I made a mistake. I left this one on high, and I'm going to turn it down, all right? Just give me a minute. All right, we're going to turn these again. Let these get to their golden brownness. Oh, my God. Just let them sit there in that olive oil, too, all right? Not in olive oil, in the Parmesan cheese. Let them hang out. All right? We're not going to try to whisk that Parmesan cheese away. We're just giving these time to brown up a little bit. Look at that. So this side, is a little hotter. We're going to turn it down now. We don't need it all that hot. Keep them moving a little bit. This don't have to be hard, folks. Use in the backyard. This is going to be the best part here in a second. You're going to like this part. All right, I got this vinegar. All right, you get whatever kind of vinegar you want. Some people might even use like a wine. I like vinegar, all right? We'll set that over there just for now. But that vinegar, boy, it just turns it up. It turns it on fire, all right? You're going to love it. I promise. I promise. You can trust the fat guy. You can trust the fat guy when it comes to two things. Food and food. That's right, folks. Food and food. All right. We're giving it some time. That guy there is going to be a little bit warm to the touch. We're going to take that and we're going to send it to the bank. But first, the same tray. We don't need another tray. All this is bread, right? We put this on there. Look at this. Look at this. This is like what, a 5-minute snack? You know what I'll do is I'll come out here sometimes in the middle of the night. I know my neighbors love me. And I'm like, guys, I want a snack. And my wife is like, well, go down in the kitchen and get like a Pop-Tart or something. I don't want no damn Pop-Tart. Look, guys, I went to Walmart, right? I made this pizza video. So I went to Walmart. Look how toasted that is. I went to Walmart and I bought this dollar French bread, right? And all I did was cut them down. You know, I cut them about that thick. I don't know if you can see that yet. Maybe it'll focus, maybe it won't. But I cut them down about that far. And now, what I want to do, see this plate? This plate needs some oil on it. I may put all the oil on it, I may not, all right? But look, oh my God, oh my God. Look at that. It's going to get all the oil, I think. It's going to get a lot of it. All right. So, look at that. Look how beautiful that looks, all right? You can see it. It's like you're panning for gold. And let me tell you what, when you put this in your mouth, you're going to find out this really is gold. You're going to take this vinaigrette, right? Oh my God. Just pour it in there. Watch, vinegar won't mix. It won't mix. So you know exactly how much you're putting on that bread, all right? Vinegar don't mix. Oh my God. Now guys, I didn't set up more than one camera, all right? I actually have 2 cameras, but I didn't set up the camera for that table. So I'm just going to dip it, all right? You get a little bit of that vinegar in there. God, this snack is banging. When I was in Europe, every dinner table had this on the table. That's how I know I like it. Olive oil running down my beard. Gotta be good for my beard, I bet too. God, I didn't even raise up this table over here. Guys, listen. That's just for me. I'm not gonna make you sit here and what? Jessica said she's getting some too. God, I gotta tell you, the longer I leave that camera on, because she don't want to be on camera, the more of this I get for me, and she getting none. All right, listen. This is a good snack. I guess the bread might not be the healthiest snack. You can take it right out of the pot too. Hotter oils. All right, listen. I think it's healthy. The bread probably not so healthy. If you could get the bread a little less, look at that, I'm dripping on myself. She pouring it out. It's okay. The bread might not be so healthy, but the oils and the spices, oh my God, son, it tastes real good. Listen, you guys better like, comment, and subscribe. We out, son. I gotta eat.